to my channel, Glow with Candace, and if you're new here, welcome. I'd love to see you back on my channel, so hit the subscribe button down below to see future videos like this and more by me. And don't forget, hit the notification bell as well to be notified for any future uploads of mine. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of a product from KVD Beauty, Vegan Beauty Cosmetics. So in my prior videos, you've heard me talk about my now go-to mascara, my holy grail. It's Go Big or Go Home from KVD Vegan Beauty, and I love that stuff. It is amazing. Gosh, my favorite. So I'll leave the link up above here so you can see why I love it. But since I loved it so much and there were some awesome deals going on, this highlighter palette from KVD Vegan Beauty was on sale for $10, normal retail value $32. More than half off, guys! You know how I love highlighter, and I probably didn't need it, but it looked beautiful, and I wanted to try a different kind of product. I wanted to try a different kind of product from KVD Vegan Beauty because I love my mascara so much. So I purchased this highlighter palette, and it is the KVD Vegan Beauty Alchemist Holographic palette. And I don't know if I pronounced that right, but maybe it's Alchemist. It is the KVD Vegan Beauty Alchemist Holographic palette. There are 4 shades in this palette, and it's actually a triangle. So this is the outside packaging. Absolutely beautiful, this iridescent look with the A for the Alchemist, and then on the back, it has the definition of alchemy, alchemy, I think that's how you say it. They have the accent on the E. A seemingly magical process of transformation, creation, or combination. And that's cool that they have that on the back because I actually had to look it up how to pronounce it and also what it meant. So that's cool they have that on the back, as you can see here. And they have it in different languages too, so you can read it in other ways, and they say how to pronounce it and where to put the accent on. So that's really cool. And this is a different design, how it's a triangle, which is kind of cool because an A is also like a triangle. So I don't know if they did that for that reason, but I do notice the similarities in that. But this it's different. Like, how many palettes can you say is a triangle that you have? I can say none. I can't say anything I have in my makeup drawer is a triangle. So this is a 4-pan palette. Oh, this is beautiful on the outside. So it's also like a white iridescent with this raised A, but it's not as iridescent as the outer packaging, but it has a slight iridescent. It's probably hard to tell on camera because honestly, it's hard to tell in person, I'm not gonna lie, but in the light you can see a shift. It's not as iridescent as the outside packaging. Oh, interesting. So you actually open it up. Well, I guess that is the proper way. I'm holding it like this to you guys. So you open it like so. So this is actually how it looks. Oh, these are like cool tones. Interesting. In the picture, it did show, even though you open it up like this, you hold it like this. So interesting enough. And then it ends up looking like that on the outside. So these are cooler tones. They look like they swatched beautifully, and I couldn't help but like think, well, $10 for this is pretty amazing. And I wanted to try these highlighters from this product because I love the mascara. These are, let's say, it says there are 4 at 0.05 ounces. I don't know if that's right. Is that right? Yep, that is right. It's 4 at 0.5 ounces. So I had to verify on the website because there was another, it talked about the pods at something else too. So anyways, by each name, it gives you the color that it's supposed to be with the shift. So that's really cool. So like this is opal, it's supposed to be pink. This is amethyst, it's supposed to be ultraviolet. We have emerald over here, which is supposed to be green. And then sapphire, which is supposed to be blue. So looking at them, you can see the like you have to move them to see the shift, and it might be kind of hard for you guys to see. I think it'll be better once I swatch it and show you guys. At this point, they do look a little bit cooler. Oh wow, these are super buttery and pigmented, and you see more color on my finger than you do looking in the pan with the colors. Look at this. This is stunning. Which honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I looked at the pan and I'm like, well, I'm glad I paid 10 bucks. I was not impressed, but this is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so let's swatch these. Wow, those are beautiful. My pinky kind of got cut off, so I'm gonna do opal again. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at the shift. These are so buttery and so beautiful. Look, these are a little bit crazier colors, like, and I knew that purchasing by the swatch picture, like I knew that they were gonna be a little bit crazy, but they looked beautiful, and look at those, they are beautiful. So over here we have the opal, which is the pink, we have the sapphire, which is the blue, we have the amethyst, which is the ultraviolet, and then we have the emerald, which is the green. I really like this palette. Is it for everybody? No, and it's not a typical palette like for, I mean, it's a little bit bold, you know? These colors aren't standard colors that you're just gonna wear and have that subtle glow. Like, you're gonna stand out. So no, it's not for everybody. If you're looking for some of those colors and if you like those kind of colors, then I definitely think this is the palette for you. Beautifully swatched, like very beautiful. Obviously, I didn't apply it today, so I don't know how it looks on the skin. I will leave a comment in the description area. Read below if you want to see. I will apply it, use it throughout the time here. And I just already wearing some today, so I'm not going to apply, but I'll let you guys know how it goes on. But if it swatches really nicely, I guarantee you it applies really nicely and wears nicely. But it is a little bit bold and crazy, so if you're into that, definitely. The pans are very small, 0.05 ounces, very small as you can see here. So personally, I wouldn't purchase this for $32. I think that's way too much. For $10, that's a steal. If it were me, I would like retail this at like $24, $22. Like, I feel like that's a more fair price for this versus $32. Like, it's just too small. But the product is amazing. When you first open it up, it looks very bland and blah. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was disappointed opening it up, but after I swatched it, it was beautiful. So if you get this product, do not be disappointed when you open it up, because I wasn't super stoked when I opened it. But then when I swatched it, yeah, that's when I decided it was beautiful and nice. So definitely take those things into consideration when and if you purchase this. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing of the Alchemist Holographic palette from KVD Vegan Beauty. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below. And if you're new here and want to see future videos like this and more by me, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But until next time, bye!